Have you ever noticed Windows Defender automatically deleting your files even when they're completely safe? Whether it's a game, software, or an important document, today I'll show you how to stop this from happening by adding an exclusion folder in Windows Security. First, open Windows Security. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Windows Security. Then open it. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection and scroll down until you see Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on that. Now, scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. This is where we'll stop Windows from automatically deleting files. Click on Add an Exclusion and select Folder. A File Explorer window will pop up. Now, select the folder where your important files or programs are stored. After selecting your folder, Windows Defender will no longer scan or delete anything inside it. No more accidental deletions. If Windows Defender has already deleted something, don't worry. I'll be making a separate video on how to recover deleted files, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And that's it. Your files are now safe from automatic deletion. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Windows tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.